You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 24,500, or 156.525. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 62 and y1 equals 47. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals negative 78 and y2 equals negative 23. D is the distance between the 2 points. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that taking the square root of both sides leads us to the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 62. x2 equals negative 78. y1 equals 47. y2 equals negative 23. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 24,500, or 156.525.